Hi there, my name is Greg Rossino, and I'm the Executive Director of Marketing here at Cyrano Video. So we've been working with BrandProMax for about a year and a half now, and they have been fantastic the entire time. As a video solution company, it's incredibly important for us to have a website and social media platforms that not only talk to each other with consistent messaging, but also tell our story and allow the audience to know who we are and how we're helping folks in the healthcare industry create video at scale in an affordable way. And so when BrandProMax came in, they helped us achieve all that and more. They helped us rebuild our website, so there is a strong story that's being told all throughout it. And then they help us create social media posts, whether it's for LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, that tell the audience who we are and how we're helping the different industries within the healthcare community. It's been incredibly valuable to have them all throughout these last year and a half. I think the thing I appreciate the most about BrandProMax and Shankar and his team is how they have become an extension of my team. At the very beginning, they wanted to learn all about Cyrano Video and how we're helping the healthcare industry and about our video solution. Because when they're learning about this, then it's easier for them to create the content and have a better understanding of who our audience is and who we're trying to reach. And that's been the case all throughout. And that's very, very rare, at least what I've seen. You know, most times when you're using an outside organization, they're just doing check boxes. We did this, we did that. It's great, we're gonna move on. But they want to be successful because when they're successful, we're successful, and then the clients, the prospects are happy, and that truly means something to them, which again, it's pretty rare in today's day and age. So I love their work ethic. I love that they become an extension of my team. And I love that they care about us. If you have the opportunity to work with Shankar and his team at BrandProMax, and I can't emphasize this enough, do it. You will not regret it. They're fantastic, kind, loving, caring human beings who work their butts off every single day, and it's awesome.